Today's cryptic crossword clue is cool, cooler, and ultimately coolest babe, which is a great surface. I mean, the picture of a babe starting off as a cool babe and then a cooler babe and ultimately the coolest babe is a great surface. And the repetition of the word cool here is really neat. I like the surface of this clue a lot. And often when you see a clue that repeats the same word, what you're being asked to do is find different kinds of synonym for that word and kind of compile them together. And here I fixated on the word cooler because I know that a cooler can be something that cools. And so I was thinking about a fridge or a freezer, or I don't know if they call them these elsewhere in the world, but an esky. It's kind of like just a tub that you fill with ice and throw drinks in. I was thinking like that, what's something that cools, and I couldn't really think of it. But then I went on to ultimately coolest, which is just the ultimate letter of the word coolest, a T, and I thought it's probably a word for babe is our answer that ends with T. Can I think of what that is? And of course, here in the clue, we're being asked to think of like an attractive woman, but really a babe can be a baby. Is there a 6-letter word for a baby that ends with T? And I found the word infant. And then the quest, the job's not done, right? When you think of an answer that fits, the quest is to justify it. Can we justify it? And another way of saying something is cool is saying that it's in. And then a cooler, I was on the right track, but I couldn't find the word fan for a cooler. And ultimately coolest is the T on the end, giving us infant, another word for babe.